from here you can buy or sell. If I go to the top gainer circle chart, it becomes like, wow, this is the chart. How it looks. Oh my god, these charts are so confusing. This is currently 100% off, but you can see from this position to this, I thought that's zero. That's not zero, that's actually pumping 100%. Wow, from here to this, that's interesting. So these are those top gainers from CoinDCX, let's say, which actually did pretty good. There is ING. Let's look about that. ING. So of course you gotta have also KYC account to verify stuff, which is indeed. So wow, this is the one. Damn, this looks good. Recently listed, like 7th October, went to 0.07, dumped to 0.01, and then again on 0.08, and there you can see like what do you predict? I predict this gonna go down, like, yeah, down. It already touched its all-time high and it was not able to break, so it's jumping slowly, maybe here, zero, in the zero. So, oh, there is fucking minus. No. Oh my god, you can't go to minus. But this is the zero. Okay. Let's see how it goes. So yeah, for now it is valuable. I don't know much about this project. But yeah, hope it's good. What was its name again? ING UCD, etc. So you can also see there is not only UCD pairs, there are INR, USD, Ethereum, BTC, BNB, DAO, GTT, XRP, a lot. XRP, TRX, XRP. Did we miss XRP, guys? XRP is a very good project for future. It's cheap right now. Look at this.